Hey everyone, I made it into Costco. So I know we've seen this one before. It's going to be $75. They do have it out here, but they zip tied it. They don't want people playing with it. How are we going to test it out? Wow, these went back up in price. I got these for $20. They're $25 now. You will get two. You know what, honestly, for me, I need a much firmer pillow. I'm not used to like a squishy. I know they're feathered, but I need a firmer one. So this one ends in April the 2nd, $24. We have strawberry, Squishmallows are $12.99. I don't think I've seen this guy right here. He's cute. Or this one. They're both adorable. The hangers are back on sale. They're $10.99 from $16. It's been a while since we've seen $10.99 because last time the sale price was $12. Your limit is 5, ends on the 16th of March. Beautiful jewelry out today. Look at all these. We even have like some AD necklaces. It looks like $59.99. $900 for this gas grill. And $79.99, 150 feet, smart tube. You can put your hose in there and reel it in. If you're in the market for the chairs, they're going to be $39.99. I honestly would skip out on this. I just threw that away from my daughter's room. It just became a chair to throw crap on. Unless you have a kid who's actually going to use it. $8.59, we have the ramen with chili oil. This one ends April the 2nd. You get 20 in here for $10.99. The Kirkland peaches are out right in the front. These are $12.49 and they're actually really good. I want to say this is the first time I'm finding wheat thins in my Costco. $8.79. You never find that here. The seaweed is $7.99 now. They did change it, and this one will be organic, and you do get 24. Organic applesauce in pouches, gluten-free, no sugar added, $11.99. A little mix on candy, $15.99. So it has milk, dark, and cookie. And you get 300. $11.49. We have Sanders dark chocolate, sea salt, and caramel. Ends April 10th, $10, and there's no limit. You will get 60, so maybe right in time before summer break. Biscoff is $8.99 now. It used to be $7.99, so that went up a little bit. Kirkland chocolate raisin, $12.49. I do love chocolate raisin. And then we have the chocolate almonds, which are my favorite. They're $12.99. And then next to me is $15. We have the macadamia clusters with caramel for $15. Look at that ooey gooey goodness. It looks really good. And $15. No Sugar Company. Let's see, 7 to 8 gram fat, 0 sugar. MCTs from coconut oil. You get 30 in here for $15. We have peanut butter, dark chocolate, and mint. And $10.49 organic almond butter cups. And it's going to be non-GMO for $10.50. And next to me, it looks like leftover Valentine candy. $8.99, ends March 19th. Dark chocolate, they're like cookies. No sugar keto cracks. They're $7.80. Okay, no sugar. You get a free ebook in here. Keto made simple, 1 gram net carb. And then look, next to me is like almost similar. peanut brittle bites. 10 bucks. They're pretty much just like the large one, just broken up. $10 for 16 ounces. Kirkland organic quinoa. This is $8.99. Flaxseed is $7. And then next to me, 15, we have organic hemp hearts by Kirkland. And then chia seeds are $9.49, non-GMO. So we're thinking about putting chia seed on our grass. And this over here is a $12.79. For a 25-pound bag of rice, it's going to be $11.99. And then next to me, oh yeah, we've seen this, $17.80 for 20 pounds. And $7.39, and this is a 2-pound tortellini. Okay, Kirkland organic marinara from Tuscany is $10.99, and it is a 3-pack. I am so tempted to try this. Oops. Organic rolled oats, 80 ounce for $9.79. They are non-GMO and USDA organic. They're sprouted. And $12.79. This is a 10-pound one. I want to say this one might be cheaper in Sam's. $6.79. Chicharron fried pork rind with tahine, chili, lemon.
That'd be a way to try tahini.
You like this stuff. I think you would like it. So $14 for the frittatas. You get 20 here, and today they're doing their sample. It's actually pretty good, but you can make yourself, you know, with your muffin tin. And $12.49 for the fried rice shrimp. Ends on the 19th. Just Bear in 4 pounds, already like diced and cut up for you, you know. So just saute it, easy meal on the go, $10. So we've seen this one before, but I was talking to the lady who was doing samples. You're supposed to put this in tequila, like little tequila shots. It was supposed to be good. $20 here. The enchilada bake, $3 off. Okay, no rain checks will be offered. So $23.60. Have you guys tried it? I've tried it. It is pretty decent, but if you have like a large family, you might have to grab 2. $13.99. These are great if you have little toddlers who are picky. Put some grapes on the side, cheese. Also, if you're like strictly on a diet, it's for $14.20 here. I always see this one. I'm kind of tempted to buy it. They're gluten-free, non-GMO, but a lot of people say they're not worth it. $15. They're already grilled for you. 21 grams of protein. Okay, kimchi here is $7. Okay, we have Casamigos, $54. And then next to me is $55. You know, Bryan Cranston and Aaron, of course. It's $55. Okay, I found organic margarita mix, which I don't think I've ever seen like organic. Looks and then next to me, $36, $35.99. So this one is a Deep Eddy Lime Vodka. Okay, came from Texas, $19.89. That looks kind of good too. Oh yeah. Okay, they have sweet potato in the doggy area. The price is gone, but these are new. They're made in the USA. And this brand is called Checkups, a dental dog treat. You get 24 in here for $13.59. Okay, and $15.99. I hear you have to be careful with this one. Anchor Hawking, you get 16 here for $20. Okay, check this out. Costco got into the Ray Dunn, $21.99. Stoneware dishwasher safe, microwave safe. So we have serve, spread, dip, and dunk. But it comes all together for $22, which is better than, you know, Home Goods.
But no worries.
Home Goods, you know, you have to pay separately. You will get 4 for $10. These are a new mug set. And I want to say, you guys, this might be new for anything in Costco right now. They still have the 2-pack here, which is going to be $70. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. If you're looking for the Ninja, right here, 170, and then next to me is going to be 70.